ordinary kid. Said a cold word in the wrong dentistry. Now watch the mayhem begin. There's nothing he can't do. He's got a brand new attitude. His brother's been turned upside down. There's chaos lurking all around. Everybody wants to get him. Everybody's out to get him. Everybody's joining in the chase for race. Everybody wants to get him. Everybody's out to get him. Everybody's joining in with the chase for race. Get ace. Get ace.
Gangway! Late for the dentist! Look out! Sorry. Oops. Oh, which one's the dentist? Score! Next! I'm here! I'm on time! Don't tell my mom I was late!
Pull yourself together, Nedicans! How will you ever make it as a supervillain if a dental visit gives you nervous stomach?
Come along! Let's get these braces on then. Just relax and open really wide. I'm such a forgetty Betty. I didn't ask for the top secret password. So? Big tick. Ned. Can't be too careful, eh? Imagine if these bad boys ever fell into the wrong mouth. Finito! Now let's charge them up, eh?
Maybe I don't need braces after all, Mumsy. I mean, not every supervillain needs perfect teeth, do they?
Only the ones specializing in disguises like you. Now come on, Nettie. Be my brave little soldier.
Voila! A perfect installation. Now, you'll need these for guidance, plus a little patience. The full system will take time initializing, but we can do a quick function test. Pick a number between 1 and 50. 25? Oh, wind machine. Coolio! No, please, stop! Phew. No, I didn't mean it. Start again, please. Function 25. Rock and roll.
You mistook this sniveling wimp for the supervillain you built the braces for.
It was an honest mistake. And he knew the code word. Nice kid, actually.
This is not the end of this, Pringle. Man up, Sugar Plum. We're going to go find this brat and get those braces back.
Yes, Mumsy.
Now let's get out there and get whatever his name is.
Ace! Ace McDougal! I saved you a spot. Sup? You're almost late for your first day of high school.
Almost late is Ace Talk for right on time.
Well, if you...
Ew, gross! Ugh, even grosser, Becky! So, what's my loving little sister doing here?
Starting high school like you, of course.
Huh?
I skipped a year, remember?
Okay, another year begins, and nothing says educational excellence like hyperactive lassies waving pom-poms. Girls,
Give me a hey! Hey! A hi! Hi! We all go to Fun Park High. Cramming facts on all our necks. Fun Park High is so the best.
Yay, Fun Park High!
She's... wow!
Ha! Tina DeVere, queen bee of the school and my freaky brother. Yep, that'll work.
Do you have any idea how many high schools there are in this town, Nedzy?
Huh?
One that breaks disgrace-faced brat can only go to Fun Park High. You know what to do.
Oh, yes. Make the place go kablooey, and then search the rubble for anything shiny and braces-shaped.
Step away from the spider button. We've got one rocket, and we're saving it for world domination. I meant disguises.
Ooh, also fun. Let's see. But they all seem kind of obvious. I've got it! Why don't I go as a student?
Masterful.
Hey! What did you... Gordon? Get another locker, McDorkle. It's bad enough having you for a neighbor at home. But they gave me this... Huh?
Initiating holographic user guide setup. Please choose your preferred personality.
Listen, you painful pipsqueak.
Painful Pipsqueak selected.
No! I never chose it! Huh?
That's mine, number 24.
24 it is. The imaginatively named Slime Blaster. Ah! He's puking on me! Gross! Stop! You're toast, McDougal! You, me, after school, my place! Yeah! Grab a chair and grab a pen! It's time for multiplication! You snooze, you lose! McDorkle! Ned, are you going to let that mouth-breathing monkey intimidate you? Shh! And will you stop calling me Ned? I have the technology. Just name a function. Yeah! My man with the mouth metal! 6 squared plus 1... 37? Sleeping gas generator. My work is done. Hello? Little Tooth Dude? Tooth Dude? Really? I'm a holographic user guidance operative. Hugo for short. Hugo? Okay, cool. I'm... Ned Crinkle. Yes, I'm tailored to fit your profile. No, I'm not Ned. I'm Ace. There's been a mistake. Wait, you're not a dastardly supervillain tasked with global domination? No, I'm an ordinary kid tasked with getting pounded by Gordonzilla after school, and I could really use a hand. A gig's a gig. Function 26, coming up. Actually, this is pretty cool. But this part, not so much. Of course, if you'd read the manual, you'd already be requesting Function 3. Whoa! So how many functions are there? Only 50. But right now, I'd suggest Function 42. Fine by me! Uh-oh. Whoa! Hugo, what happened? Temporary power outage due to overuse, a.k.a. the battery's flat. I suggest a manual recharge. How? Strenuous molar mastication. Chew, Ace, chew. That's the ticket.
Now I get it. My brother has been abducted by aliens and replaced by a shape-shifting imposter. With advanced anti-gravity technology. But lousy at landings. So, what did you think of high school?
It had its ups and downs, but kind of cool.
Yeah, same.
Gordy! Huh?
Not so smart now, are you, Braces Bandit?
It's Ace, okay? And I'm guessing you're Ned.
Ned Crinkle, aspiring supervillain and master of disguise. Oh, and I don't think you've met my mumsy.
Hilda Crinkle. Enough chit-chat, Nedzy. Time to unbrace Ace.
Hugo, activate function.
Nedzy, after him.
He's history.
Hugo, Can you hear me, Hugo? Help! Braces rebooting. Have a nice day. Oh, fat chance of that! Get him! Get Ace!
End of the line, you brat!
Did I miss much? Function 25! Start! Oops! Faster, Hugo! Must catch rocket! Quick! Rocket thrusters! Maximum boost! No! I'm recharging, Hugo! When we hit 100%, give me everything you've got! Impossible! Human jaws can't work that fast. Watch me! 100%! Hit it! I know this pond! It belongs to... Hey, come back, McDougal! You hear me? So who are we running from this time? Irate robotic teacher? Annoyed psycho neighbor? Chill, Hugo. I'm just trying to get a good seat for Safari Bob's animal show. Kenny! Function 28!
Ew! You touched me, geek!
She's not calling me McDorkle anymore. Progress!
Now, to the untrained eye, it would appear that Safari Bob is in a spot of bother. But here's a little trick I picked up in the Amazon. I know, I'm that good. And now for my next trick. I need a volunteer. Who's not afraid to stand next to this much awesome?
Me? I can handle awesome. Listen, dweeb. Get my good side, which is like any side, and don't mess up. A photo with Safari Bob could totally launch my career.
I'm on it, Tina! Dweeb! I'm telling you, she's cracking.
This is Big Mama to Bad Boy. Get ready, Nedsy. This could be our best chance to grab Ace yet.
What's your name, little girl?
Hi, I'm...
Awestruck? Yeah, I know. Well, no one really cares. They all want to see what's underneath this cover, right? Hey, everybody, say hi to Jeffrey. Now, the secret to juggling monkeys is only touch the furry bits. Anything else gets them riled.
Hey, Geekazoid! Why'd you give him my camera?
Relax, Tina, I'll get it back. So is Geekazoid a step forward?
Hey, don't panic, people. Safari Bob will get the camera back because Safari Bob is just that good. Now, who wants a picture? Sullen menial worker. Have you by any chance seen a monkey with a... Thanks. Oh, and just quietly, you may want to rethink that hair. Very 80s, mate. Okay, who wants an autograph?
Go! Watch the beehive!
Let me help you up, bookish spinster.
Can we get some speed happening here? I could, if you, 42 already! Rocket thrusters, nice choice. Yeah, scratch that! I've changed my mind! Gotcha! Hugo, help me! Really, Ace, you must learn to enunciate. Right! I'm gonna grab him! Courageous. Clearly, you haven't seen the top-rated show, When Monkeys Go Bananas. So, we need a plan B. How about diplomacy? You could use the universal translator. I'll give you a hint. It's between 48 and 50. Function
And you expect me to return to that preposterous cage? No! I won't play second banana to some slouch-hatted nincompoop.
Cool, I can understand you.
Of course you can, boy. I took elocution lessons. I'm a trained thespian, and I won't be party to this dog and pony show any longer. No offense, Jim. Trevor.
Dude, I totally get what it's like being ignored, especially by Tina. But if you gave me back her camera...
Never! Let the bards sing of this day. The day I, Jeffrey Tiberius Timberlake, struck a blow for performing animals everywhere. No longer shall we stand for second billing. Today, we headline!
Hugo, I'm gonna shrink this guy down to the size of a pea. Activate the shrinkerate array. Function 15.
Well, you asked for it. Function 15 it is.
Holy howling haggises! What's that?
Don't worry, I've got everything in hand. I've already rung my agent.
Where's my camera, doofus?
Doofus? Cool!
Crikey, he's gone bananas. So, anyone want an autograph?
I'll save you, Tina! I need transport! Stat!
So you're saying, in retrospect, the pony was a good idea?
Who keeps barrels on a roller coaster? Function 31! Tina! Go limp! Function 31!
Hi, it's me, and I'm still like totally hot.
You really need to work on your dismounts.
Thanks, Coach! Huh? Oh, no. Okay, major brainwave. Next time Tina's carriage comes round, we'll snatch her with the electrostatic cable.
No, that's not so much a brainwave as a brain malfunction, don't you think?
No! Hugo!
That can't be good.
Medicals, we have a slight problem.
Hugo! Function 41!
A force field? Why would you?
Now!
Ned! Why didn't I stay retired? I was blitzing those mahjong tournaments.
Ace! Save me!
Oh, she used your name.
Told you she couldn't resist me. Let's go with function 28.
Oh, Ace, you're like totally my hero.
Ned, where's Tina?
OMG! I'm even hotter with tousled hair!
Hugo, function 13.
I plan to capture the beast and save...
Just a thought, but perhaps the enlargerate array may help.
Nice thinking, Hugo. Function 15.
What about Safari Bob?
Oh, if I have to...
Now, what was I saying? Oh, yes, photos.
Oh, no! Hugo the Shriekerator! Oops.
Oh, does this boy ever floss?
Gotcha! It's okay, little guy. We're safe now. Hugo! Function 21!
I would have gone with this safety net, but you are the boss.
Was there ever any doubt I'd save the day?
What? No, he didn't save anything. Tina, are you...
Where's my camera?
I, kind of lost track of it.
Ew! Thanks for nothing, McDorkle. Ooh, press! Hey, it's me, Tina DeVere. I'm safe and still totally hot.
How did I get back to McDorkle?
Oh, face it, Ace. You never left.
Hugo, function 49.
You saved my life.
Only kind of. Shouldn't you be making a, escape?
And turn my back on the bright lights and grease paint? My dear boy, I'm an actor.
Well, we ditched Ned at least. Where is he?
Huh? Dolly! No, kid,
Well, at least no one's chasing me this time. Oh,
Ace McDougal!
This kid's Ace McDougal, he's got a goofy grin. He's just an ordinary kid. A secret code word in the wrong dentist chair. Now watch the mayhem begin.